Well, here goes our very first recording. Walking up to get Zora because she got herself in trouble, and I got 20 minutes. So, I'm gonna fuck around with the camera for a minute and see what I can do with uploading videos to YouTube. Because if I can do that, that'll actually be kind of dope. When you think about the ramifications of me having a pretty good camera, having a YouTube account, kind of makes sense if you ask me. So, oh, look at that. I can zoom in. Oh, that is nice. Let's see here. That zoom actually works pretty good. So, okay, well, we're at Northwood Park. Probably shouldn't do this, but I'm getting ready to light up a fucking cigarette because I'm a retard. Here's the beautiful water, beautiful brown, fucking oil sheened water. There's some ducks. They should be gone, but they're fucking dumb. There's some more ducks up there. Probably coming over this way because they see me and they're like, oh, I'm gonna get fed. And that's why these 4 ducks are probably gonna fucking die. This is generally it. I can walk around a bit and shit. Oh shit, maybe they're gay ducks. They're all boys. Oh, no. Can't tell. The onesies are a girl or it's molting. Probably molting. I know you guys can't see that from here. I don't even know if you'll be able to hear me, to be honest. But you know, it's all in the name of science, kinda. Well, not science, but exploring. There's a bunch of kids learning information. It's pretty fucking cool, if you ask me. It's the walkway. There's the ducks again. This fucking water's so gross looking though. You can come over here. Oh, look at these exotic species. Here's the rust-colored part of the water. You can see the oil and shit a little better. And that's where it's coming from. Good. Let's continue upon the way. Ooh, let's come over here. What do we have over here? First things first. We got this. Oh, the raven. Pretty fucking crazy. Ask me. And here's some more beautiful Alaskan water. There's a bunch of ducks. Over here, this is some kind of bug. Water striders. It's pretty cool. And then I think we're about nearing the end of this little journey. There is more that we could explore, but we're already like over 5.5 minutes into this video. It's just a test video. I still gotta listen to part of it, make sure you can at least kind of hear what the fuck I'm saying or something. But yeah, so let's hope this works, because if it does, YouTube's gonna become a new friend. Oh, look at that, we got overwintering. Another interesting fact. Maybe that's why the ducks are fucking retarded. They're not retarded, they just have a test stream, and there's Northwood Park. Alright, well, from you to me, that's a genie. I'm fucking out. Peace.